everyone, it's Roha Wanderer and welcome back to my channel. Kung first time mo sa channel kong ito, maaari mong isubscribe at i-click ang notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga next videos ko. Ang programang inyong mapapanood ay batay po lamang sa aking pananaliksik. Ito ay hindi nagsusulong ng karahasan at anumang ikasisira ng komunidad. Maiging makinig, unawain, intindihin at panoorin ang buong video. Breaking news! Niyanig po ng magnitude 5.4 na lindol ang San Luis Town, Aurora, 10 AM ng Sabado, May 23, 2020. It was initially reported as a 5.1 magnitude quake. PhiVolcs later upgraded the strength in an update. The tectonic earthquake's epicenter was located 15.57 degree north, 121.52 degree east, 16 kilometers south 2 degree west of San Luis, Aurora. The quake had a depth of focus of 7 kilometers. PhiVolcs Director Renato Solidum said the quake, which struck 16 kilometers southwest of San Luis at a depth of 7 kilometers, was tectonic, caused by the movement of a fault in Aurora. The tremor was felt in several parts of Luzon, strongest in Baler, Aurora, at intensity 6. The shaking also reached Metro Manila. Bahagyang malakas po ito, said Solidum at the laging handa briefing on state television. Posible pong magka-aftershocks, posible pong magka-minor damage. He said reports of damage have yet to come in. Solidum reminded the public that in case of disaster that require evacuation such as quakes, they should still keep physical distancing in mind given the continuing threat of the coronavirus disease. Isipin natin palagi physical distancing pag tayo ay nag-i-evacuate at pumunta sa lugar na may evacuation area, he said. Samantala, narito ang mga affected areas. Intensity 6, Baler, Aurora. Intensity 5, San Luis, Dipaculao and Maria, Aurora. Intensity 4, Kasiguran and Dingalan, Aurora, Gabaldon and Palayan City, Nueva Ecija. Intensity 3, Ubando, Bulacan, Villasis, Pangasinan, City of Parañaque, City of Antipolo, Rizal. Intensity 2, Santo Domingo, Nueva Ecija, Malolos City, and Plaridel, Bulacan, City of Baguio, City of Manila, City of Malabon, City of Navotas, Quezon City, City of Valenzuela. Intensity 1, Gapan City, Nueva Ecija, Ginayangan, Quezon. Para sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin dyan, maging una sa balita at ugaliing laging maging handa. Ito po si Roha nagsasabing ang kaligtasan ay kapakanan ng bawat isa. We are one and we heal as one. Thank you for watching at pindutin lamang po ang subscribe at i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga next videos ko.